Hey guys, this is Matt for Creative. I just picked up my iPhone 15 Pro Max and we're going to be doing the unboxing here. This is classic New York. Some people are disturbed, some people are playing music, some people are yelling. So, funny story though, after I picked up this phone, I realized that my reservation was actually for Saturday. For some reason I thought I got pushed back because I missed my pickup window at 9:30. But the official reservation was Saturday, but they still gave me the phone. I appreciate that. This was at Apple Soho. They were very, yeah, it would have been me going back and it would have been just a lot of things to do. So we have the iPhone 15 Pro Max. We have the fine woven case. So we're gonna open this up. Again, we could be doing this inside, but there's construction happening, there's music, it's very windy. This is better, and I feel like you guys would like this. So we're gonna open this up, we're gonna slide this off. And here we have the phone. So this, I would say, I think the 14 Pro Max, and I did not get the black or space gray last year. I got the purple variation. I would say last year's model was darker than this is. For me, I always go for the blackest blacks you possibly can. I hate space gray. That's just something I would kind of avoid. But this one, so we got the cable, we got everything. I mean, that's not really interesting. What's interesting is the phone. And I have to say, oh wow, I touch it and literally there's fingerprints left on the band. Maybe an issue, may not be, but it does not really matter. But we have the phone here, look at that. I have very particular eyes. There is black, there's a little bit off black, there's black with a tinge of blue, which is why I hate the midnight color that they have that Apple introduced a while ago. I want black. For some reason, when I look at the band of this, the way that it's reflecting the light here, it's not looking black, it's more looking like a steel blue black. But that's just my first impressions. We're going to be taking this off because it's very easy to compare this as being black, like the black screen, the black mirror type thing, and then look at the side of the case. Now things flow right into it. It's beautiful, it's light, and what we're gonna do here is, this is my main thing, and I think this is a big sticking point on people getting the phone. We have the 14 Pro Max, and we're gonna see, all right, so we have the weight, we have the structure. It does not have the same curves as the brand new one. This one feels lighter. It feels more airy. It almost feels like I'm holding an aluminum version. Oh, there's the front of that. Okay, something just flew off in the wind. Anyway, we have this here. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that is nice. Yeah, the weight is significantly lighter. It does feel a little bit smaller in the hand. I know it is a little bit smaller, and it has curved glass. So at least we have that. The leather case doesn't exist anymore, and that is done. So this one sits now with the 14 Pro Max. And now, let's get the case on. So we're going to be putting the fine woven case here. Maybe destroying it. This usually just like pulls right out. This one's really tight in there. For me, I'm really torn with leather products. Leather products are good. They feel good, but they kill animals. I know I have a leather skin on some phones. You may have seen the Leather D brand info that I have, or the video that I have, but I kind of like that imitation leather instead. This is a very fine woven material. It doesn't have the fine woven on the back, but it really does feel like polyester. And I've heard from a lot of people this scratches really easily. So we're gonna put this in this. and it sits snugly inside here. Just kind of feels like a satin pillowcase. I would have to say I do not like it. It looks like kind of jeans denim. It is not something that I would personally continue to choose, but that's just me. Yeah. I may be returning this case just because I need something to protect the phone. Definitely have to do that baseline. But it just does not feel right on the skin. It really feels like my pillowcase that I have at home. Anyway, here's the phone. We're going to do one last size and weight comparison with a cased phone. And yeah, this is airier, this is lighter. This feels just lighter weight. Yeah. It's a small, almost millimeter size change, but it does feel significantly different in the hand. So if you were looking for a big change, this here is not it. This is an iterative change. I got the Max because I wanted the 5X telephoto lens. That's literally all I'm looking for. But that's it, guys. Guys, we'll be doing a lot more videos with the phone, with some cases, with some other stuff. But guys, if you have any comments or questions, put in the comment section below. Don't forget, I'm on Instagram and Threads at M8B9. You can email me at creativenyc2023@gmail.com. But thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you next time.